OUST stock analysis and OUST stock prediction. In this 1-minute video, I'm going to show you exactly what I'm going to do in trade. I'm the only guy in the space that has actually done 42,000 videos over 5 years. I'm telling you this because it is the truth and I've documented everything. But with Ouster and looking at OUST, honestly, just I'm looking to, because it pumped up like crazy. I was at the first, willing to sell side as long as there was like a double break. Didn't sort of get that, and then it just completely shifted. What happened was the complete opposite. So I'm not gonna just not record this as a -1 hour because it simply was like a wrong idea. And since it's pumping up like that, I'm just looking to just jump in on this bandwagon, right? Last thing that I'll be doing is just randomly getting involved. So that's where we are at. If it doesn't sort of pull down and doesn't give me some sort of a shift, then there's no way that I'll be getting involved. So yeah, that's OUST. It's my confirmation. Doesn't even have to pull this low, man. Like, as long as there's a decent confirmation, I mean, see you in the next one. Goodbye and enjoy. If you want to learn how I'm making 5-10K per month, click the first link in the description.